Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts! Today we're checking out the HyperX Alloy Core RGB keyboard, and let me tell you, this keyboard is a total game changer. First of all, let's talk about the style. This keyboard is absolutely stunning, with a sleek black design and a customizable RGB lighting that will make your setup pop. It comes with different lighting effects that you can choose from, and you can customize your keyboard to your heart's content. Let's have a look here. You can also change the brightness. But this keyboard isn't just a pretty face. It's also incredibly comfortable to type on, with soft and responsive keys that feel great under your fingertips. Plus, with its spill-resistant design, you won't have to worry about ruining your keyboard with an accidental spill. And let's talk about the features. This keyboard is fully programmable with the ability to customize every key to your liking. Plus, with its anti-ghosting and end key rollover features, you can enjoy seamless and fast gaming without any interruption. It is also compatible with PC, PS4, and Xbox One. You can also control your media with the volume, stopping, pressing play and pause, going backwards or forwards. In short, the HyperX Alloy Core RGB keyboard is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a high quality keyboard that's as stylish as it is comfortable. It's perfect for work, perfect for play, and perfect for anyone who wants to take their setup to the next level.